Good morning, everyone. It's Crypto Analysis coming at you with an update video on Bitcoin. So nothing's changed with our last video on Bitcoin, so it's still doing the same thing. You're still holding this uptrend as support, I guess. You could argue for that. Now it doesn't really matter because you still have macro support at 83.6 to 91, using 91 as resistance in the past. You have the next major area of resistance here at $95,000, which you've already came back up and got smacked at, got rejected at. So price to beat on the upside would be to break 95 and 103. If you do break 103, that is going to confirm something that has never happened in the history of Bitcoin. So if 103 does break, then you are looking at a super cycle and you're no longer at risk at capitulating from now until May. But as long as we're in this area and we're still getting chopped and we're forming this bear flag, which in my opinion is a bear flag, then sometime between now and May, in my opinion, we're going to get a big capitulation and flush back down to 70,000. That's where I will be buying my next 0.002 BTC, which at that point I think is around like $140. So before you're like, oh my God, you're only buying $140? Well, yeah, because this channel we're going to be Bitcoin maxis, and we're not going to put like $1,000 or $10,000 in at 70,000. I want to get it for as cheap as possible. I want to get it when we are having major sell-offs, and that way I can accumulate the most amount of BTC. And then from there, once we do hit 70, I'll draw my next target and the next area that I'm buying at. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. I will keep you updated, and thank you so much for your support.